Thanks to Sangeeta for delivering her part. This is Rishabh and I will be presenting the service lifecycle. The service lifecycle basically includes 5 major steps. The first one is the service strategy. The second one is the service design, followed by service transition. The fourth one is service operation, and the last one is CSI, which stands for continual improvement of IT services. I'm gonna briefly discuss all of these. The first one is service strategy. The main task of service strategy is to give better and superior services that what our competition is offering in the market. These could be of 3 types: internal service provider, shared service unit, and an external service provider. We can set a strategy as a perspective. We can also set a strategy as a position. We can also set it as a plan, pattern, and etc. Further, I come on the service design. The purpose of service design is to design its services in alignment with government policies and all the process conditions. Next is the service transition. Service transition verifies whether new or changed services which are ready for customer release meet all the functional and technical criteria of an organization. Next comes the service operation. Service operation is that phase of the life cycle which is responsible for executing processes that optimize the cost and quality of services to the required standards. I would like to give an example here. The primary objective of the service operation is to maintain business satisfaction, customer relationship, deliver the goods very effectively, and all the IT services hence become efficient. The last one here is continual service improvement. Continual service improvement is applicable to the IT life cycle service. The primary purpose of continual service improvement is to continuously align and realign the IT services to changing business needs by identifying and implementing improvements throughout all the IT services in the department. That's all for my part. Now